In ancient times, a king had a boulder placed on a roadway. He then hid himself and watched to see if anyone would move the boulder out of the way. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers came by and simply walked around it. Many people loudly blamed the king for not keeping the roads clear, but none of them did anything about getting the stone out of the way. A peasant then came along carrying a load of vegetables. Upon approaching the boulder, the peasant said he laid down his burden and tried to push the stone out of the road. After much pushing and straining, he finally succeeded. After the peasant went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the boulder had been. The purse contained many gold coins and a note from the king explaining that the gold was for the person who removed the boulder from the roadway. Ladies and gentlemen, the moral is every obstacle we come across in life gives us an opportunity to improve our circumstances. And whilst the lazy complain, the others are creating opportunities through their kind hearts, generosity, and willingness to get things done. On this note, let's begin a new episode for the AKD show. Hello, folks. This is AK.
Hi, this is Aditya, so-called A. I had this question all the time. Okay, don't know why, but I had this all the time. saying कि इंडिया में जॉब बहुत ज़्यादा लोग करते हैं यार, बिजनेस बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. There are very few people who do business and are into entrepreneurship. Like the ratio is 9:1. 90% लोग तो जॉब ही करते हैं. I think 90 भी कम बोल रहा हूँ मैं. So I always had that doubt, like why does that happen? And today, like few days ago, I realized why is it happening.
आंसर क्या है?
हाँ, तुझे बोला भी था ऑलरेडी क्यों होता है.
Obviously, but still.
ऐसा होता इसलिए है क्योंकि we are in India first of all. हम लोग इंडियंस हैं. यहाँ पे माँ बाप की कदर बहुत की जाती है. We live for family. Unlike USA and other countries, we don't get out of our houses after 18. We stick to our parents. Like we are always with our parents. We work, we live, we do everything for our family. And
which is a good thing.
Yeah, which is really good thing. No one can disagree with that point.
Yeah.
Really good thing, and it's really appreciated. But that's not the point, okay? Why people prefer job over entrepreneurship? One thing maybe culture
or self-employment.
Self-employment. क्योंकि उनको family के साथ time spend करने के लिए ज़्यादा time मिलेगा.
Job versus entrepreneurship versus self-employment ऐसा रखते हैं so that थोड़ा easy पड़े.
Yeah, we can keep like that also. And even people take self-employment in a wrong way. That they most of the time they take it like self-employment or business करना एक ही चीज़ है. But no, that's not the thing.
No, it's a different thing. Yes.
Very different thing. USA and other countries after 18 they get separate. They get independent in the whole way. Yeah, they get independent in the whole way. They start doing the work, start working on themselves. They do a lot of things, and that's why they are way too ahead of us. So the point here is, what can we do?
But earlier, people were not even sure. I think our parent generation, they had no idea entrepreneurship is an existing career or whatever. I think, but
true.
Slowly it has come into the practice that such things even exist, and it is.
Now it is coming, and
to some extent, it has become better. It is becoming better, but there is still very less motivation or very little motivation for being an entrepreneur in India.
Very less. Yeah, I totally agree with that. And I feel again, your parents' role while students pursuing their education plays like their
Yeah,
mindset
yeah.
is totally different from what they should really have.
Why do you think there is very less, yeah, little motivation for entrepreneurship in India? Like,
Well, I feel mindset plays bigger role here again because जब हम बच्चे होते हैं और उसी माइंडसेट में हमें बढ़ाया जाता है तो बड़े होने के बाद भी वो माइंडसेट नहीं जाने वाला. दैट माइंडसेट विल नेवर गो फ्रॉम because we are grown in that mindset. Okay, first of all.
hard wiring. We are like hardwired to
Yeah,
be that way.
yeah, absolutely. So
Yeah.
we, first of all, as being a teen, okay, our generation is different, parents' generation and our generation is different. So we have opportunity to choose our own career. Even they didn't have because of the same again mindset. That even
Yeah.
their parents had different mindset. So mindset is again playing bigger role here. So whatever career you want to pursue, go ahead and pursue it.
Just don't get discouraged and disheartened by the fact that
Yeah.
parents मान नहीं रहे. Show them how strongly you believe in yourself and how strongly you believe in what you want to do in life, like in your career, and
Absolutely.
try convincing them. Because doing something that comes from within you, okay, and which can help you to earn money and sustain your entire life, will not give you will give you will not will give you a good level of satisfaction that nothing else will give.
If you follow your passion, like कोई interest है आपको, let's take an example of music or cooking. It's difficult pursuing it. Okay, you need a lot of hard work in pursuing any passion or hobbies. Okay, it's very difficult. Even money you get is very less.
Yeah.
Until unless you
initially
you're
very
being
less.
until unless you're being the best of best. Till then, it is less. Even if you have career in that, it is less. So that's the reason why people in India, parents in India, don't support their kids doing that. But it can be passion, can be a hobby. 90% or 95% of our parents want us to do job after our graduation.
Yeah.
I feel this mindset is a bit wrong. In my view, maybe in their view it will be correct because they want their kids' career safe. Job security चाहिए उनको, पैसा चाहिए, consistent पैसा चाहिए. Just not wrong in their view. But what I feel is, okay, fine, job करोगे, किसके लिए करोगे? बहुत लोगों के मन में होता है यार कुछ start करना है. People have that fire that we should do entrepreneurship, we should do some business, be self-employed.
Or anything. कुछ अलग करना है basically out of.
Yeah, out of box कुछ अलग करना है. बहुत लोगों के पास होता है वो जुनून. हाँ. And I think that is really good. You should have that. And if you are really having that, you need to take first step today, now. Until unless you give a try, you start, you're never going to understand how it is going to be.
बिल्कुल.
Start is everything. You can plan a lot of things. Until unless you start, nothing is going to work. सपना रह जाता है. First step is
do
something.
Start, yeah. Just do something.
Yeah, definitely. And first step is really going to be hard. Very challenging. Today's your idea can be tomorrow's multi-billionaire company in India or multi-billionaire.
Yeah, who knows?
Idea or thought. So don't suppress it, okay? If you're having idea or if you really don't want to work on it, then tell us.
हम लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. We'll execute on behalf of you. Anyways.
Yeah.
So let's say parents want their child to do job because of various benefits like job security, stable income, बाकी सारे securities, बहुत सारी चीजें included होती हैं. तो let's say if we are talking about financial earnings, like financial, so is like doing a job, is it the best idea for earning? Like पैसा कमाने के लिए, is job the exact only thing like you can do?
Job, see, we can't stop people to do job. Like हम नहीं बोल सकते कि job मत करो किसी के लिए.
बिल्कुल
क्योंकि
नहीं
अगर
भाई, we are not
that is
encouraging that here.
नहीं
We are
नहीं
not encouraging that.
no in general also, like if we
हाँ,
tell people not to do job, and if we ask people don't do job at anywhere, then that makes no sense, because if we have a company tomorrow, we need people to work with us, or we work under
yeah,
us, which is
work for the
nothing.
same goal, achieve
Yeah,
our, and
so that
yeah,
that is something like job only.
हाँ.
So we job, see, it can be
By
a good thing. Huh.
in fact, okay, let us put it this way. Let us call it
Employer,
self-employment versus
employee. Everyone has a job, even employer, employee, self-employed.
yeah,
Everyone has a job, because
everyone.
yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. Even we have our own jobs, we have our responsibilities. Jobs are nothing but responsibility. So employee can be a good idea. It can be a good way of earning, but not the best. If you're really stuck on financial thing, like paisa chahiye yaar, I really
if you're
want to hit the yeah
adamant ki bhai,
and
I want to get big with a financial, yeah,
paisa chahiye, I can do anything for money. If that is the
yeah.
case, then job is not the best idea.
It's
Right
not like
time.
ki
Yeah.
every person who is working for 30 years will be at their maximum best financial earnings, right? It's not exactly that. It never happens. But at
Yeah.
the same time, if that same person plays right cards at the right board, then the probability that he is going to get a better hand increases. So, I think कि
Yeah, true.
मतलब जो this concept of what do you call investing should be taught from school level,